All right, these are the YOUNGPOWER 22-piece ratcheting wrench set. Company sent me this product, check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived just like this, inside of a box. All the wrenches are stored away in this hard plastic carrying case. These handle cases are great for transporting your tools to the job site or just carrying them around the house or the garage or wherever you need to use them. The case will sit flat or it'll sit on its side. And it's pretty sturdy, so it's no problem to pile stuff on top of it, or if you want to store it away on a shelf like a book, you can do that. Inside the case, we are going to get the ratcheting wrenches in most of the common sizes. On top side, we have the metric wrenches from 6mm all the way up to 8mm, minus the 7 and the 11. And on the bottom, we have the standard SAE sizes. We get 1/4 inch all the way up to 3/4 of an inch. Looking at the wrenches, they're made from CRV, I guess chrome vanadium steel. That's a common alloy steel used to manufacture primarily high-strength hand tools like wrenches and sockets and ratchets, stuff like that. According to the company, the set meets the ANSI standards, and the finish provides an exceptional durability and corrosion resistance. You can see that they're straight flat. There's no curvature on these. I have a couple of sets where they're curved up on one side. We get the box end on one side, and each of the wrenches on the ratchet side have a secure 12-point box end design with a 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism. So there's only a 5-degree swing arc. I guess 360 divided by 72 equals 5 degrees. So that's going to be great in cramped areas where you can't get a regular wrench in there to move as freely, like in engine compartments or brake pads, stuff like that. Overall, nice looking set. So there you go. Pretty much everything you need up to 3/4 and 18mm in this nice hard shell case. This set would obviously be great for car repairs, household repairs, all the DIY stuff around the house, like putting furniture kits together, or tools like the one I assembled earlier in the video. Roadside emergencies. I use them on guitar builds, for tuners, jacks, pots, all kinds of stuff. Very nice.